husband wear this big clothes today? Is it because of this your?
Yes, they call me. They're coming on their way.
Okay, they called you.
Yeah.
This is the place.
In-law.
Hey, good afternoon.
My son, welcome, my son.
Good day, sir.
Welcome. You're welcome.
In-law. Yeah. My wife. Yeah. Yes.
My in-law.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Wow.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
My son.
Yeah, ma.
Yes.
Thank you, ma.
In-law.
You're
I'm
welcome.
very happy.
Yes.
In fact, I'm super excited. My in-law, my son told me that he saw a beautiful flower.
Wow.
Rose flower.
In your house.
You made a good choice.
So I've come to pluck it for him.
What to cut it?
No, am I taking a fun?
You are making a
You should not finish my flower.
Wow.
You don't want to cut it. Cut everything.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, so, you know, as tradition
Demands,
demands, so
yes.
is for you.
Okay.
For my in-law.
That's right. Okay.
Yes. My wife.
Pure even.
When did you go to heaven?
You are welcome.
Thank you.
I told you they will love.
Yes.
Okay. My wife.
Yes.
You can now bring our rose
I will-
flower.
My son-in-law.
Ma. Baba. I'm blushing. Hey. See my wife, eh? Toby, what Toby? Thank you, sir.
My son.
Hey.
Stand here.
Very beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh.
Stephanie,
Yes, Papa.
do you know this young man?
Yes, I know this one.
My husband, they are here.
My body is shaking.
Okay. It's okay. You can bring my higher education. That is the list.
Okay.
Bring this for me.
No problem.
Fast.
Mama, they tell me, Mama,
made a good choice.
Yeah, very good choice.
In-law.
Look at Mama like that.
Okay. Okay, it's inside. It's okay.
Go in and prepare that food.
She knows how to cook.
Yeah.
She can cook very well.
My life is my master.
I know it's not.
My in-law, this is the bride price. That is the list. Page 1.
Short.
Very few items, but we understand. Very few.
50 grade of 3-3. That is mix up beer.
Secret is a mistake.
Okay.
Yeah, we
great.
understand.
Great.
Very few.
Then 25 grades of mineral.
Jesus is Lord.
Crate of mineral.
Yeah, we
No, people will be plenty. You
Yes.
understand?
Enough. We have enough. Then page 2.
Papa, another page.
Page 2.
Very few items.
2 trailers of yam.
Yams.
Yams.
Two trailers of yams.
Yes, 2 trailers.
People will be much, the villagers and everybody.
50 cows.
Jesus is Lord.
House.
Then we will also tar our road and transformer. Very important.
There will be lights that day. And
We don't have light
car,
though.
you
We
understand?
don't have light. This we don't have light.
Yes.
And also 25 million naira.
Jesus is Lord.
Then the last but not the least, that is page 3.
Yes. Three.
What do you have to see? Is this how they behave with you when you wanted to get married to your wife? This is why you punish a young one that want to get married and settle down.
My hero, I even got some
What
items.
you are not talk.
Page 1, page 2, page 3.
Can you imagine?
Just
For who?
2 items.
Wait. You asked for 2 trailers of yam. Is it your festival or marriage?
We have enough visitors.
Simple
How
booking.
can you be asking for road and transformer? It's not even election period.
Because that day there is no light now.
Transformer.
No light.
Transformer.
We don't have lights here.
For one person.
Imagine, Papa, wait.
Yes,
Stop
yes.
See, it is what marriage is all about. Papa, I I'll remain a bachelor. A single bachelor.
My
Find
son.
me.
Please, my son,
You
come,
lost
come.
flower.
Please now, you people should come back.
No.
You know, I'm no longer a bachelor again. I'm a widower. My wife just died.
It's not like that.
My in-law.
Keep your in-law for yourself.
You see, no, you are the one that caused it. How can you tell me to collect those young man 25,000 million naira?
It was for the benefit of the both of us now.
Wait. I tell you, let me put 3 grades of mineral because that girl too slim is like this. I even asked of 50,000 naira. You now mentioned 25 million naira.
Give it that taking the higher share. Mashallah.
Leave my place. I said that come and tell me.
Apostle, we hear of this.
And I lose that 50,000. Which kind? Child. Okay.